just gotta give me a little bit more. I'm a fee for the bread, so the tad is out for the cash flow. I like them nasty hoes, them hood rats, them ghetto women. I'm a ghetto hustler, so yeah, dog, I'm ghetto pimpin'. I fuck with niggas that fuck with thugs, fuck with niggas that fuck with drugs.